5. Best foods for a growing child. For a growing child, the best you can do is to care about his diet. Growing children are sensitive. Wrong diet may not affect us too much, but for growing kids, wrong or unbalanced diet is very harmful. Growing children require more energy and nutrients as compared to adults, especially the growing stage for kids is crucial. In that stage, body requires specific amount of vitamins and minerals to keep growing normally. Often, parents are unable to provide home-cooked healthy food to their children. Shortness of time and busy daily routines do not allow mothers to cook in mornings, afternoons, evenings and at nights. However, they must ensure the foods their kids eat is nutritional and hygienic. Find here the 5 best foods for a growing child. These foods are healthy, full of nutrition and easy to digest. Therefore considering them for your kids is worth. 1. Milk. Giving milk to a growing child is like making an investment for future. It strengthens bones, provides calcium, minerals and phosphorus are very helpful in proper growth of the children. Milk reinforces the development of teeth, nails and bones. Vitamin D in the milk is also a major nutrient for bones. Milk also supplies iodine and niacin to the body. Give your children proper milk feed, without even missing a day. Make your children habitual of milk twice a day, or at least once in the at night. Also prepare milk-rich desserts, and other recipes for them occasionally. 2. Blueberries. Blueberries are very tasty and powerful food for a growing child. Small blueberries contain high amount of nutrition, antiviral, antidiarrheal as well as antibacterial properties. Blueberries are also rich of manganese, which helps to keep the bones strong and healthy. Vitamin C in this wonderful fruit increases the immunity power of the children. It regenerates the energy in their body with fiber, iron, magnesium, and vitamin B. Give them blueberry bunch to munch. They would like it. Additionally you can add it to yogurt for them to eat. They would love it. 3. Yogurt. Yogurt is very helpful for a growing child. There are good bacteria in the yogurt which helps improve the immunity power of the kids. It also helps to improve the digestion system of the body. It has calcium, carbohydrates, vitamin B, phosphorus, and zinc to strengthen the growth of the kids. Give them yogurt daily. It will energize them, develop bones and strengthen their teeth. Add sugar to plain yogurt which will taste better to them. Or you can make fruity yogurt for them such as strawberry yogurt. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes lies among the top 10 nutritional vegetables. It provides good amount of vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E to the body. Sweet potatoes also contain loads of calcium, fiber and iron which are very helpful to the body of a growing child. This sweet vegetable is rich of beta-carotene which is supportive to the eyesight. Children are readily fond of sweet potatoes. Give them boiled sweet potatoes with some condiments added. You won't find them reluctant to it. 5. Eggs. Eggs are wonderful natural food, very healthy for children. Eggs are a good source of protein which is essential for a growing child. Eggs also enrich the body with vitamin B, which improves the development of brain and its functionality. Eggs also contain iron, zinc, vitamin D and selenium. You can boil, fry, half fry or serve as an omelet of egg to your child. Your child will like it all the ways. Children are sensitive especially when they are at growing age. Most of the parents are not well aware about the food their child should be given. Proteins, calcium, minerals, and vitamins are very important for growing kids. In this article, we have described some foods with their ingredients as well as how helpful they are for your children. This is a must-read article for parents with growing children. You will also find some tips on these foods. Let's move to read it. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for new video notification.